Hi, good morning to all. All are fine. I hope you are fine. Classes. What we discuss about components of food. Yes, from the topic we discuss about what is nutrients, what are the types of nutrients, balanced diet, and deficiency diseases. Yeah, what is nutrients? Nutrients are substances that are needed by our body for proper growth and healthy body function. Yeah, what are the types of nutrients? There are six types of nutrients. What are they? Carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins, minerals, roughage, water. Yeah, carbohydrates provide energy to our body. Fats also provide energy to our body. Yes, proteins. Proteins are building blocks of our body. Proteins help for proper growth. Yeah. Then vitamins and minerals. Vitamins and minerals keeps our body healthy. Roughage. What is called roughage or dietary fibers? The portion of the plant food that remain undigested and do not provide any nutrients to our body is known as dietary fibers. What is the functions of dietary fibers? Dietary fibers maintain our digestive system healthy. Yeah. Then water. What are the functions of water? Water helps to maintain our body temperature and help to absorb nutrients from food and help to transfer substance inside our body and help to digestion and excretion process. Yeah. Then next, balanced diet. What is called balanced diet? A diet that contain adequate amount of all the nutrients in right proportions along with roughage and water. Okay, that is balanced diet. The balanced diet contain some following food groups. What are they means? Meat, milk, vegetables, fruits, and grains and pulses cereals groups. Okay. Then deficiency diseases. Deficient lack of nutrients in our diet over a long period of time causes deficiency diseases. Okay. Then deficiency of carbohydrates along with the proteins. Okay, in our diet leads to in our diet causes marasmus. Deficiency of protein causes kwashiorkor. The deficiency of vitamins also cause some diseases like deficiency of vitamin A causes night blindness. Deficiency of vitamin B1 causes beriberi. B12 anemia is vitamin C. Lack of vitamin C causes scurvy. Lack of vitamin D causes rickets, and lack of vitamin K causes essentially hemorrhage. Yes, like vitamins, the deficiency of iron causes anemia. Okay, deficiency of calcium and phosphorus also cause rickets. Deficiency of iodine in diet causes goiter. Okay, the deficiency of water in our body. Excessive loss of water in our body leads to dehydration. For recovery, when to give oral rehydrating solutions. Okay, are you clear, students? Okay, today we are going to start new lesson. Lesson 4. What is the topic of the lesson? Fiber to fabric. What is the topic of the lesson? Fiber to fabric. Okay, what is fiber? What is fiber? The thin strands of thread are called fiber. The thin strands of thread are called as fiber. Then fabric. What is fabric? Fabric is commonly called cloth. Fabric is made from certain types of fibers. Okay. What are the types of fibers? So silk, cotton, jute. These are some of the types of fibers. Then history of clothing. History of clothing. Okay. Early human beings used leaves, grasses, and animal skin to cover themselves. Okay, the early human uses the animal skin and leaves and grasses for cover the bodies. The first GV needles are made from bones. Okay, about 30,000 years ago, the first the human beings have started to use animal skin for clothing. Okay, the first stitched cloth made from leather and fur. Okay, after later they use some materials like wool, silk, and cotton. Okay, by that time the fabrics are not stitched. They were just wrapped around the body. They just cover the body using that fabrics. And today also we are using some unstitched cloth. What are they? sandy, dirty, and turbans. Yes, this is silk fibers. This is a cotton fiber. Okay. Next, fiber and fabric. Next, what? Fiber and fabric. Listen, what are the steps? The fibers are twisted together and to form yarns. Okay, the yarns are woven or knitted to form fabric. First one, fiber. Yes, the fibers are twisted together to form yarn. The yarns are woven or knitted to form fabric. Here, listen. First, the cloth are made mostly from these fibers. Yes, the fibers are twisted together and to form this yarn. Okay, and to form yarn. Yarns are woven or knitted to form fabric. To form fabric. The fabric is stitched to make chudidar, frock, kurti or any dresses. Okay. Then what are the process involved in making fabric from fibers? Next what? What are the process involved in making fabric from fibers? What are the process? Spinning, weaving and knitting. What are the process? Spinning, weaving and weaving. With the two sets of yarns arranged together and to form a fabric that is known as weaving. The weaving is done by a machine called as loom. Okay, then hand operated machine or power operated loom machines. Yeah, then knitting involves making fabric by forming a series of connected loops of yarn by using a knitting needles. Okay, the sweaters and woolen clothes, the caps are made using this knitting methods. Then take a book, page number 53, activity. Okay, this is science second activity. Okay, to understand weaving. What is the aim of the activity? To understand weaving. Okay, what are the materials needed? What are the materials? Chart paper, ruler, pencil and scissor. What are the materials? Chart paper, ruler, pencil and scissor. Yes. So listen. First, take two color paper. Okay. Any colors, blue, yellow or yellow, red. Any colors. Okay. Cut in equal length and width. Cut the paper in equal length and width. Then fold the sheet into half. Fold the paper into half. Draw line on the sheet. What is that step? Draw line on the sheet. Then cut every space slit starting from the folded edge and continue up to the half inch from the opposite edge. Okay, cut one paper into the half. Okay, then cut another paper like a rectangle shape and okay, then after open up the paper, then take one paper strip and weave it horizontally. Okay, take one paper and weave it horizontally. Then push one strip to the top and start with another end. Weave more paper strips until the paper is full. Okay, then after we want to use more paper for you need full sheet, full weaving sheet. Yes, so we want to weave more papers. Fold the excess sheet, the length of each strip inwards and press to glue them in place. Okay, then fold the excess sheet of paper using glue, press it. Okay, now the weaving sheet is ready. Okay, use a transparent paper, cover the sheet with transparent paper and use a table mat. Okay, the weaving method is used for making cloth and also used for preparation of basket and some craft items and used for table mat, doormat, okay, etc. Are you clear, ma? Then once again listen. Today what we discuss about fiber and fabric. Yes, what is fiber? The thin strands of thread are called fiber. Okay, what is called fabrics? Fabrics are commonly called clothes were made from different types of fibers. Yeah, what is yarn? The thin strands of that's twisted together and to form a yarn. Okay, the yarn are weaving on it, weaving knitted to form fabrics. What is weaving? What is weaving? The two sets of ends are arranged together and to form a fabric is known as weaving. Yes, what is knitting? Knitting involves making fabrics by forming a series of connected loops of yarn by using knitting needles. Okay. Weaving is done by using a machine called as loom. Okay, very clear? Then listen worksheet. What is the first question? The first GV needles are made of dash. What is the answer? Bone. Second one. The thin strands of thread are called dash. What is the answer? Fibers. Yeah. Dash is made from certain types of fibers. What is the answer? Fabrics or cloth. Any. Okay. Thin strands of thread that are twisted together to make dash. What is the answer? Yarn. Dash involves the making of fabrics from yarn, but that dash method, weaving or knitting. Okay, then study portions, page number 53, 3 question answers and 1 words. What are cloth made of? What are clothes made of? The first question, book back question also. Okay, clothes are made of fibers. Okay, clothes are made of fibers. What are fibers? The thin strands of thread are called fiber. Then, name the process used in making fabrics from yarn. There are two main process of making fabric from yarn. What are they? Weaving and knitting. Name the process used in making fabric from fiber means what you want to write. Spinning, weaving and knitting. Are you clear, ma? Are you clear? Okay. Thank you.